Coming out for a walk. We're near Eyebrook Reservoir. It's quite busy. It's a bird watching area, so there's lots of cars. And we had trouble starting the car this morning. The battery flat. We haven't driven it for 12 days. Yeah, it was cold last night. Is this the best way, Jane? Because there's a ditch there in front of you. Oh, it's not too bad. Yeah. Yeah. Just shows you how much water there's been. Oh. Careful. How deep's this? Not too bad. Oh, that was alright. Bit of a struggle. Yeah. The sun looks nice. It's cold though. It's a good jump. I bought a new set of jump leads.
Try them out.
Yeah. Gosh, swans. Jane's going to jump in that puddle like they do on telly. I don't think so.
Shiny thing.
Yeah. I thought you were going to do one of those like star jumps into it.
No, I don't think so.
It's a nice tree. Yeah. Coming up to the bridge. Eyebrook Reservoir. I think when we get to the corner we're in Leicestershire, aren't we?
Just beyond the bridge, yeah.
Yeah, in Leicestershire. So this is, we're in Rutland. Yeah, we're only what?
Northamptonshire, Rutland, if you walk over the bridge.
Yeah.
You've done 3 counties today.
We've done 3 counties.
You're not supposed to be going out your...
No, on foot, 3 counties. Yeah, just the shape of the roads, isn't it? Oh, these have had some damage, these here, haven't they, look. Because they used to be a lot taller. Oh yeah, they've been torn, yeah. They're a bit raggedy old trees, haven't they? God, that wind's cold. Yeah. 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 I'm just going to look at the bridge. God, that wind's bitter. And if we walk past that white sign there, we're in Leicestershire. We'd have walked into and through 3 counties. Oh look, blue tits.
Loads of squirrels now walked up.
It's blue tits.
Yeah.
See 'em?
Blue tits.
Oh wow.
That's very blue, that one.
Yeah. Oh, there's loads of little birds. The camera's not picking it up though. There's a dunnock down there on the ground, just on his own.
Oh yeah.
And there's great tits, blue tits. There's 2 robins, and there's I forgot what it's called down there.
Blue
Goldfinch.
Yeah, blue tits are very
Goldfinch.
flitty, aren't they?
Yeah, goldfinch. Now into Leicestershire. Great Eastern is left, Stockerston that way, and the back the way we came is Stoke Dry. Stoke Dry is a mile and a quarter. You wouldn't think that, would you? Yeah. Bitterly cold today. Sun's there. Heading back to the car, and then we're going to see if we can get some eggs from the farm, some goat's milk ice cream if we can, Oh, got to get through all that water somehow. Ganders Farm, and we're going to have some eggs. Yeah. Ice cream.
Ginger?
Caramel. Caramel for me.
Salted caramel.
Yeah.
Okay, I haven't got any milk. Oh, what's that?
That's part of the fridge, I think, isn't it? Oh, that's milk.
Must be milk.
Yeah, we'll have that. And what ice cream are you having?
No, that'll do. Just have the one.
I was just thinking make up the money to 10. How much is the ice cream?
There's ginger.
Have ginger then. Okay.
I don't know which ice cream is.
4mm tub, 2 for £8.
So that must be
8. That's 10 with the milk and the eggs, isn't it? Yeah?
That's £8.
Yeah. Goat's milk. So I've been to the goat farm and they've got 6 eggs. Goat's milk. Right, what have we got? Ganders Goat Gelato. Ice cream, ginger. Ginger ice cream. Oh, it's got ginger. Right, and this one is Ganders ice cream, salted caramel ice cream. And goat's milk. Yummy. Slow cooked beef, potatoes, mushrooms, pepper, gravy in the slow cooker.
Yeah, it was the beer, wasn't it? One cooked in stout.
Oh, cooked in Mackinson stout. Glass of wine. What wine have we got?
Malbec.
Malbec. From where?
Argentina.
Argentina. Slurping it well. And then what are we having afterwards?
Ice cream.
Oh, right, here we go, testing the ice cream.
Oh, yes, you taste the salted caramel.
Yeah. Try that one. Try it with my spoon.
It's good.
It's good. Very nice.
Very, very nice.
Try it with my spoon.
It's quite light, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very light. It's lovely.
Like a sorbet.
Mm.
Oh, yeah. It tastes the ginger.
Yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, I've not tried the caramel yet. Let's have your spoon. Try it.
That's really nice. So light. It's more like a sorbet sort of taste, isn't it, rather than ice cream.
Oh gosh, that's 10 out of 10 for me.
That's very nice.
Well, it's delicious, isn't it? Definitely thumbs up.
Yeah.
What's it saying? It's I can't read it because the carton's from winner Food and Drinks Award 2017-2018. Ganders Goat. We use an award-winning combination of love, care, locally sourced flavours and our own dedicated milk from our Northamptonshire farm to make this tasty ice cream. Gandersgoat.com.
It's goat's milk, sugar, egg yolk, dextrose and ginger. It's got at least 3% ginger in it.
That's quite high, isn't it? Proper ginger.
Yeah, ginger. Yes, the taste of it's really strong.
Yeah. What's it say about the caramel?
It's got Goat's milk, sugar, egg yolk, dextrose, salted caramel, 15%.
15%?
Yeah,
Gosh.
yeah.
Oh, well, that's it. That's where we're getting our ice cream from now on.
Yeah.
Last part of our video, I'm just going to give you an update on the projects. I've been making these hearts, and I'll just switch it on, electronic hearts. And these are for use in motorhomes. It's very popular. And I've just finished making this one. So I've made 9 of these electronic hearts. I haven't got any wood to finish them off, make the boxes for them. So that's, as I said earlier in previous videos, I should do that when we go shopping. I'm finished making these wooden mushrooms on the lathe, and some of these needed revarnishing, and I'm gonna, and this piece of wood, old piece of wood I got from, I think it was East Carlton Park, and I'm going to sand this down. I did have all these little mushrooms on it, but what I'm going to do, because I'm short of wood, I'm going to sand this down, reuse this, and use a combination of some of these smaller mushrooms I've made on the lathe, handmade them, and with some of the newer ones, and try and do a better display. And I'm going to varnish this, sand it off and varnish it. And I've got quite a lot of mushrooms. This is cherry wood mushrooms. Some of the lighter ones are hazel, and then some darker wood ones. And these are also cherry wood mushrooms, and they're without the bark. And because they're a green wood, you do get cracking on them, which is not too much of a problem. That's my phone bleeping. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.